Class 23. Where are you from?
Lesson 1. Listen to the conversation.
Hello.
Hi, Ramim.
What's your name, please?
My name is Leah.
Where are you from?
I am from California.
What do you do?
I am a student of university.
What subject are you studying?
I am studying law.
Are you married?
No, but I'm in a relationship.
Do you speak English?
Yes, but a little.
It's very nice to meet you.
Same here.
Okay, talk to you later.
Sure, bye for now.
Lesson 2. Now repeat the sentences.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hi, Ramim. Hi, Ramim. Hi, Ramim.
What's your name, please? What's your name, please? What's your name, please?
My name is Leah. My name is Leah. My name is Leah.
Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from?
I am from California. I am from California. I am from California.
What do you do? What do you do? What do you do?
I am a student of university. I am a student of university. I am a student of university.
What subject are you studying? What subject are you studying? What subject are you studying?
I am studying law. I am studying law. I am studying law.
Are you married? Are you married? Are you married?
No, but I'm in a relationship. No, but I'm in a relationship. No, but I'm in a relationship.
Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Yes, but a little. Yes, but a little. Yes, but a little.
It's very nice to meet you. It's very nice to meet you. It's very nice to meet you.
Same here. Same here. Same here.
Okay, talk to you later. Okay, talk to you later. Okay, talk to you later.
Sure, bye for now. Sure, bye for now. Sure, bye for now. If you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe now for more updates.
Lesson 3. Now practice the sentences and say your part.
Hello. What's your name, please? Where are you from? What do you do? What subject are you studying? Are you married? Do you speak English? It's very nice to meet you. Okay, talk to you later.
Lesson 4. Now do the opposite.
Hi, Ramim. My name is Leah. I am from California. I am a student of university. I am studying law. No, but I'm in a relationship. Yes, but a little. Same here. Sure, bye for now.
Subscribe now for the next class. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like and leave a comment.